Just come around here. Stay on the top. Stay up top. Don't jump off the side.
You're in the soft stuff now. You're only going to get worse before you get better doing that.
I can't go uphill.
I think this is like a highlight for me.
100%.
This is just off its head. This is just insane. This amount of sand.
Absolutely unreal.
Welcome to Robe Beachport. Today, join us on one of the best four-wheel drive beach drives in Australia with some of the most spectacular landscapes we have ever seen. Welcome to Robe Beachport. All right, here we are. Welcome back to another Aussie Arvos video. Today, we're doing the infamous Road to Beachport run on the beach. So this is actually your first time ever being on the beach, isn't it? Sand driving.
First time like properly interstate, first time beach driving, so.
But yeah, there's heaps to see and do here, heaps of tracks, heaps of dunes as well, just down the road. So yeah, we're going to start doing this whole Road to Beachport and hopefully not get too bogged, but we'll see how we go. This 58-kilometre journey will have us follow the South Australian coast from the town of Robe down along to Beachport. There's plenty of sand driving with many beaches and dunes to explore. We've head down to 16 PSI, which hopefully should be enough to get us through the tracks. So this Road to Beachport run isn't very long at all, but you do get to see a heap of different terrains while you're doing it. 1 minute you're on the beach, next minute you're back behind the dunes doing rock crawling. It's a real different, diverse environment up here. Navigate around some rocks here. As much as the Road to Beachport run is about the four-wheel driving, it is also quite scenic with great views of the South Aussie coastline. We've got a pretty steep beach here. It just goes to show, like, it's crazy how steep they are. You could go down there, but you could be in for a bit of bogging action. Look at that.
Tell you what, it's crazy how steep the beaches are. Like these tracks, I don't know, 25-degree angle or something. Like it feels pretty slanted off camber.
That beach is bloody steep. You don't want to go out there, I don't reckon. Oh god.
But then sometimes you're forced to drive. Obviously, you're forced to drive on those steep bits when the tide's right up. So yeah, just gotta wear it.
You can't crawl slower.
This is what they do on TikTok, right, Liam? Oh, mine's winning, mate.
So Liam, how are you enjoying your first beach driving experience?
All good so far. The sand's very firm, really. Like we can just crawl along, don't have to worry about getting stuck. Obviously, because it's winter time, it's made it very easy. But yeah, other than that, good fun. I can see why so many people enjoy it. It's just super cruisy, good views, and yeah, no, it's mint.
Yeah, no, exactly right. It's just like the sand's one thing, but you're having like the good views and the beach right next to you. I think it's the whole, like, you know, an extra thing to it.
Yeah, well, that's it. And the fact that you can only do it in, well, like obviously Victoria, this is just like alien, this sort of stuff, because you're able to do it. So yeah, pretty good to do it where you can.
Yeah, 100%. It's awesome.
was fair to say we were having an awesome day at the beach, but everything was about to change. We had arrived at Little Dip Beach, the same beach we got bogged at as kids in our family GQ patrol. If you want to hear the full story, go back and watch the Fraser Island episode, but essentially, this was a beach where we almost lost our family car, and I developed my fear of beach driving.
Alright, so we're here at Little Dip Beach. This is the one where me and Liam as kids got stuck at as a family and had a traumatic experience. But we're here to you know, get that out of our lives, get it behind us, and tackle it again now as adults in our own cars. So the footage of like the camera when we did it back as kids, it looked actually pretty gnarly. Like it looked like it was
Really chewed out.
But right now it doesn't look too bad. So I guess we'll just get in the cars and give Little Dip a shot. So let's do it.
All right, so this is Little Dip. Can we do it now?
If you stick to the tracks, super easy. Yeah, it's too easy.
It's all about track conditions. Sometimes this thing might be nearly undrivable, other times piece of cake. It really depends on track conditions. So at this point, we thought we were through. But as Liam went around the corner, I heard him calling over the UHF.
What was that?
Just come around here.
Well, just as we started to say everything was easy, something...
Stay on the top. Stay up top. Don't jump off the side.
Roger, I'm coming now. Oh no, Liam! What's happened there? What happened?
I just wanted to jump off the side so Paddy could go past on the top track. It
Oh,
didn't look
you
that
came
bad.
off to like let me go past.
Yeah, so I was like, oh, it doesn't look that bad. And I could see like these tracks.
Yeah.
So I was like, oh, I'll just jump off the side, I'll just feel soft. So we did come prepared for this situation. We invested in a set of max tracks and we're like, well, pretty new tourist where we're going. So now we get to actually try them out and see if they're any good. I don't even know if that's gonna... Alright, let's just see. Alright, so we've got the max tracks underneath. I think the trick is not to like spin your tyres until you get going.
Nah, you're bogged as, mate. You're in the soft stuff now. Do you want me to grab my pair as well?
Luckily, I still had my unopened pair of recovery boards I bought for Fraser Island, so with 4 boards, surely we should get out.
No, it's gonna get worse.
I can't.
You're only gonna get worse before you get better doing that.
I can't go uphill.
Well, then you're bogged.
It's going to shut me out.
Yeah, I have to pull you out.
Oh, winch me.
Yeah, because we can't keep doing that. It's not working, obviously.
Oh, winch me out then.
You said it's gonna be so easy.
Well, look, the first bit was, wasn't it? It's just obviously if you drive off the track.
All right, well, now we're gonna need to snatch him out because he can't get out of that. He's not gonna be able to get out. He's gonna keep going further and further into the water. This beach is very steep. It's kind of hard to tell on camera, but it's a steep beach.
So we set up for a snatch recovery. Luckily, we were prepared and had all the gear we needed because I don't think Liam was getting out of that without a lot of digging or a second car.
Alright, here we go. If I start coming off the beach, I'm probably gonna stop. If I start coming down these tracks, alright?
Yeah, all good. Just make sure the straps are alright.
They caught the tire. I'm gonna reposition myself back on the track.
Give you a good old yank, alright?
Yeah, ready when you are.
Alright, come on, let's get him out. Yes, Sadie. There we go. There we go. Yeah, good work. That was lucky. Well, there we go, Mum and Dad. We got bogged too. You can say I told you so. I just goes to show you, like, that angle there is just deep, and I don't know, you would have struggled getting out of max tracks. Like, just using it, like, I don't know if you would have done it.
Like leapfrog.
I don't know if you would, like, you would have kept going closer and closer to the water. Like, I don't know if you would have got out, but anyway.
Probably might say, like, if you get stuck, you get stuck. Like, our tyres, I'm on 16 PSI.
Yeah.
Like, if I was desperate, I could go down to 12. That'd be one thing you could
Yeah.
do. I said to Paddy, like, last resort, I've seen people, you can dig a hole, bury your spare tyre, and then winch off that.
Yeah.
It's like,
yeah.
other than that, just get a shovel and keep digging, I suppose.
Yeah. Let's get out of here. Yeah, so it is good to have two vehicles. Like, you definitely, I could see it being a very, very stressful situation if it was just you and no one else was there. Having two vehicles and being able to pull one out like that is just, yeah, real good. So this is a nice weather. Further up the beach, we reached Nora Karina and stopped to have some lunch. While eating lunch, we noticed there was a Hilux that seemed to be stuck in two-wheel drive on the sand. Liam wandered over just to make sure they were all good before we left.
Hey, did it. Yeah, she didn't know how to put it into four-wheel drive. Which even I was like, couldn't figure out at the start.
And then we got back on the beach and headed towards the dunes. We then began to exit the beach to make our way inland towards the dunes.
Oh, I didn't make it.
After failing to get up the same track Liam did, I opted for another exit off the beach. Then we bashed our way through scrub,
Oh God, it is tight.
flexed over holes, and finally came out at the dunes.
Alright, so we've made it to some of the dunes at Robe. A lot of people use it to test their limits of their car, so Liam's gonna do that right now.
But it wasn't until we made it over the rise that we discovered this incredible dune system.
Oh my God! This is insane! This is insane! This is like doesn't even feel like Earth. Oh wow! Now this is special.
Like a whole nother dune section over here. Just what people in WA just do all day. They just drive around in dunes like this.
That's steep.
I know, right? I don't even know which way is the proper way now. It's just so much random sand everywhere.
So with the sun getting lower, we decided to move on and find a camp for the night, and we would explore the bigger dune systems the next morning. The next morning, we were up and into it, as we would be tackling the biggest dunes of the trip so far.
Oh, there you go.
Yep, this is what I didn't want to miss. Holy crap, it's like a highway. roller coaster ride. My God.
Oh yeah, not bad. It's actually crazy you can drive on this. This is pretty awesome. There's not really anything like this.
Nah.
And so look at all the ones over there.
Oh my God,
Like,
look how
there's so
flat that
many.
is out there. Jeez.
There's so
So
many.
much
It's
room.
crazy.
Even this is all pretty cool.
This is just insane.
I don't know if I'll make it up there. That's pretty steep.
I don't, no way you're making it up that. That's huge. That's where you need the Saudi spec control.
But coming over the dune is what took our breath away.
Wow, this is sick.
Holy shit, just like endless dunes.
Tell you what, driving these dunes is just like something else, honestly. It feels like you're on another planet. Look how flat it is. Like, this is just off its head. This is just insane. Just the amount of sand.
Absolutely unreal.
I think this is like a highlight for me.
100%.
Like I've just never, like, to see it one thing, but then to drive it's like another.
No, that's it. It's just different.
Bloody hell.
That's soft. Jeez.
Yeah, this is up. Maybe be careful out here.
I know.
Liam, don't get bogged. Let's get out of this soft shit.
Maybe you can't drive anywhere.
Driving on these dunes is an incredible experience, and the fact that we're allowed to do it is even more amazing. Where we come from in Victoria, you can't legally drive on the beach, so to be doing any of this is just unheard of from where we live. It's a real privilege, and with the right respect shown, I really hope it can remain an experience others can enjoy in the future. Alright, so we've spent the last hour or something messing around in the dunes, as you do, and we've had our fun, and there's honestly endless, you could explore this place all day. It literally seems like it never ends. There's countless little tracks and lines and little things to do, but we're gonna get moving. We got other destinations to hit. This is sort of just north of Beachport, so very easy to get to if you come from the Beachport end. Highly recommend you come through here. It's honestly like another planet out here. It's just a completely different landscape to really anything you get. I think WA has some stuff like it, but on the east side, you don't really get anything like this. So yeah, pretty crazy. Definitely come out and have a look. All right, we're in Beachport now, and that's pretty much the end of our Robe to Beachport adventure. It really doesn't take that long, does it, to do the whole route? So it's not actually that long a strip when you look at it on the map, and I think it's spending a night in between is good like that.
Yeah,
that wasn't rushed at all, really either.
You can spend plenty of time in the dunes, plenty of time on the sand, getting your mate out when he gets bogged.
But definitely definitely a must do. Even for I know a lot of people do it as a long weekend thing. If you're happy to do the driving and smash it out, it's definitely worth even a long weekend thing coming up because there's still 100%. Enough time to do the whole thing in between.
Just that dune driving is just like nothing else I've ever experienced.
Yeah,
it's just
and driving on the beach too. You can't do that in
that's
Victoria.
really exactly right.
So that's cool as well.
It's a quicker drive to get here than it is to get up to Brisbane or Queensland. Where you
that's it.
And it's a different type of beach driving. It's very sharp beaches and soft sand, and yeah, it's good. Yeah. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed that little trip. And yeah, give the video a like if you enjoyed it, and we'll get subscribed, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers for watching.